Hi guys, I have another book selection for you today. Today we're going to talk about The Selection by Kiera. I noticed that The Selection was available on Hoopla as an audiobook. Remember, Hoopla is the app that's offered by our Rolling Hills Library, where you can check out ebooks and audiobooks. I really like audiobooks because I can listen to them when I go for a walk, when I do chores around my house, or when I go to the grocery store. I really enjoy listening. It took me a while to get into liking audiobooks, but now that I've listened to them for such a long time, I really do enjoy them. So I suggest that you try one out, whether it's this or another one, if you haven't already. So The Selection is a dystopian novel set in a future version of the United States, where instead of having a democracy, they have a monarchy. The country has been renamed. There's been a lot of changes, and the prince is due to choose his next wife. In this version of the world, instead of finding and meeting a girl in the way that we would normally think, he instead holds the selection. And so in the selection, girls from across the country are sending in applications and chosen at random to represent the region they live in. America Singer is our main character, and America is not really interested in participating in the selection because she's in love with somebody else. In the world they live in, though, they have castes, and castes are essentially a major separation of social classes. And so the royal family is in the 1 caste, and America is in the 5s, and the lowest you can be is an 8. So the person she's in love with is in the caste below her. He's a 6, which she doesn't mind, but being in that lower caste means that your family doesn't have a lot of opportunities. And she knows that participating in the selection would get her her family some compensation for her participation. And so she decides to go ahead and do it, even though she is not interested at all. She does get chosen, and while she's there, she starts to figure out that she may really enjoy the prince and find him pretty interesting. There's a lot of complications. The castle gets attacked by rebels on an ongoing basis, and that's pretty scary. She makes some friends. She makes some enemies. And there's a lot of good drama and a little bit of action thrown in there as well. You will need to check out The Selection, though, from our Hoopla app to find out a little more about what she's going to do. Thanks, guys. Bye.